Welcome back to the Beautyistic channel, where we break down the latest in beauty products, offering you real insights from a place of experience. Today we're talking nails, but not just any nails. Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in the stunning almond shape, in a shade called Space. If you're someone who loves the look of perfectly manicured nails, but doesn't always have the time, this one's for you. So, let's see if these press-ons can really live up to the hype. The Kiss Gel Fantasy Allure Press-On Nails are designed for those who want a quick and easy DIY manicure at home, with zero compromises on style. This set includes 28 medium-length almond-shaped nails in a soft, beautiful pink, with a layer of 3D designs that are perfect for the fashion-forward. It's more than just a set of nails. It's a complete kit that includes pink glue, a cuticle stick, and a mini nail file. So, no need to worry about extra tools or steps. You get everything you need right out of the box. Now let's dive into the specifics of this product. The most notable feature is the new 3D design process used to create these nails. Unlike your average press-on set, these nails incorporate multiple layers of 3D nail art, offering unique graphic shapes and special effects that are sure to catch the eye. These nails claim to be waterproof, chip-proof, and smudge-proof, with a wear time of up to 14 days. And here's the best part. They promise no damage to your natural nails and come with hassle-free removal. No need to stress about that after-party or weekend getaway ruining your perfect mani. When I first tried the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails, I was impressed by how quickly they adhered. The included pink gel glue was easy to apply, and the nails felt secure right from the start. In terms of comfort, the almond shape was surprisingly smooth, with no sharp edges digging into the sides of my fingers. I wore them for a full week during my usual routine, work, errands, and even some light cleaning, and they stayed intact. I only noticed minor wear at the tips towards the end of the week, but nothing that would make me immediately take them off. A big plus with these nails is their versatility. Whether you're heading to a night out, looking for a more polished work look, or even trying to elevate your everyday style, these nails deliver. The design is subtle enough for a professional environment, but still has that little touch of flair with the 3D effects. If you're into press-ons, you know how important it is for them to stay put, and these nails do exactly that. The fit was also pretty spot on for my nail beds, and the adhesive glue wasn't too strong, meaning I didn't struggle when it came time to remove them after the 7-day test. As with any product, there are a few cons. While the set claims to last up to 14 days, I didn't quite get there. By the end of the second week, I noticed a few nails starting to lift, and some of the 3D effects became a bit more fragile with daily wear. For me, that's not a deal breaker, but if you're hoping for the full 2-week wear time, it may vary depending on your activities and nail care routine. For the price, I feel like the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails provide solid value. They're accessible, convenient, and deliver professional quality results at home. Considering the full kit comes with glue, a file, and a cuticle stick, it's a good deal for anyone looking to get salon-worthy nails without the trip. While they might not be as long-lasting as salon gel extensions, they do an impressive job for a press-on alternative. If you're looking to elevate your nail game without breaking the bank, they definitely check that box. If you're comparing these nails to others in the market, Kiss does a great job with the quality of the glue and the overall fit. Some press-ons out there can be tricky to apply, but these nails offer a smoother experience from start to finish. Of course, there are other options at lower prices, but the extra details, like the 3D design and the included tools, make this a worthwhile choice if you value both aesthetics and ease. In terms of build quality, the nails themselves are durable for the price point. The packaging is sturdy and keeps everything secure, and the nails don't feel flimsy when applying. They stay in place, and unlike some press-ons that can feel heavy or awkward, these feel like they're part of your natural nails. I didn't experience any breakage, which is always a good sign. So, who would benefit from these press-on nails? If you're someone who loves a cute, trendy nail look, but doesn't have hours to spend at the salon, these nails could be your new best friend. They're perfect for people who want to enjoy the look of gel nails without the commitment or the cost. They're also a great option for teens or anyone looking for a fun, stylish option that won't break the bank. On the flip side, if you're looking for something ultra durable that can withstand rougher wear, you might want to consider other more permanent nail options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, the link to purchase the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails can be found in the description box below. Have you tried them out? Let us know your experience in the comments. I'm always curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.